From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Friday evening. I'm student meteorologist Denys Khrulov here with your Friday evening CNET forecast. So we've had a lot of cool mornings lead to these warm afternoons, and that will continue as we head over the next few days. Sitting at a temperature of 61 degrees at this hour at the Arboretum with an east-northeasterly wind at 5 miles per hour, so you can't beat any much better for this mid-October weather. Taking a look at weather highlights over the next several days, cool nights will lead to some frosty mornings, but otherwise the main headlines will be the sunshine and warm conditions as we head into next week. Could single some summer-like conditions, especially in the early half of next week, but more on that later. Taking a look at current temperatures right now, sitting into the lower 60s for much of our local region. Again, 61 here in State College, but zooming out to the rest of the Commonwealth, same story going on. Generally upper 50s to low 60s across much of western PA. And then central and eastern PA also into those lower to mid to maybe even upper 60s down in Allentown. So quite the warm spot this afternoon. Comparing our temperatures compared to was a day ago, general warmth as much as 5 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than it was yesterday at this time. So quite the improvement. The radar and satellite, not much going on. And if we zoom out to the rest of these countries, same story. We do have this high pressure overboard bringing those dry conditions and also those warmer conditions. We do have this next system beginning to approach the northern Rockies, bring some rain and snow showers, but that won't be impacting our weather pattern until at least the middle part of next week. Taking a look at our pressure tracker, lots of blues signaling that high pressure overboard, and it's the pretty strong and large high pressure system that is going to be bringing those prolonged warm and dry conditions. So as we go from day 1 to day 2, each day will get a little bit warmer until we see that cold front, which won't come through until actually Wednesday into Thursday, which will bring some precipitation from New York State down into our local region on Thursday, early Thursday morning. But otherwise, this cold front will be rather moisture starved and won't bring our next precipitation again until late Wednesday into early Thursday morning. But as that system clears out after Thursday, we're going to be returning those sunny skies. So rather bleak and warm pattern coming up and pretty dry as well. Taking a look at our 6-day temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, signaling those above average probabilities for those above normal temperatures. So if you're a lover of these warmer conditions, they won't be going away anytime soon. In terms of precipitation, looking pretty dry, especially across much of the East Coast. We do have those below average precipitation odds and also across much of the central U.S. So not too much activity in the weather pattern. So tonight, dropping to a low of 34 degrees, calm and chilly conditions. If you do have some plants, you might want to cover those up or bring them indoors because we will have some areas of patchy frost. And then tomorrow, great day to do some leaf peeping, high of 68 degrees with mostly sunny skies. We do also have the Pumpkin Festival here at the Arboretum, so it'll be great to get outdoors and potentially go to that. And talking about the fall foliage, the latest DCNR report for Pennsylvania fall foliage is in, and a lot of areas in those orange and red counties are signaling the best color, with some areas beginning to go post-peak, but still great weather to get outdoors because next weekend might not be as great. So you might want to get out this weekend and see some of those pretty vibrant fall colors. Anyway, taking a look at your 7-day outlook, we do have a lot of warmth and a lot of sunshine, as I mentioned throughout the video, peaking Monday and Tuesday with temperatures climbing into the mid-70s. And keep in mind, our average highs are now dipping into the upper 50s. So it'll be as much as 15 degrees above average come Tuesday. But then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, that's going to signal our next cold front. So we're going to see that drastic temperature drop closer to average by Thursday and Friday, but still pretty comfortable for this time of year and not much precipitation. So we are going to be dealing with some drought concerns as we head into the latter half of October. Anyway, I'm student meteorologist Denys Khrulov. Have a great weekend. Get outdoors, see some of that fall foliage, and then have a great next of your week.